We're working on a Dodge Magnum. We have to replace all the front end components, the wishbone on the top, the control arms on the bottom, sway bars, and tie rods. A complete kit was purchased, and it looks like they're very, very good quality parts. So I feel good about replacing these front end parts with this particular kit. One of the first things I have to do is take the bracket loose for the ABS brake sensor so that it doesn't get damaged while I'm manipulating the front end parts and pieces in and out of there. Up on the shock tower inside the engine compartment are two bolts, one on each side of the shock tower, and those have to be removed. I'm going to replace the spring shocks to hold the hood up. The old ones were weak and would not hold the hood up anymore. Replace the ones on the rear hatch as well, just for good measure. Those were holding the rear hatch up, but they were also getting weak. Once we complete this, then we can begin the process of removing the old parts and replacing with new ones. Look for that on our next video. Do us a favor, please hit the like and subscribe if you haven't. It helps us a lot. Thank you.